Alia Bhatt steps outside in casuals pays a visit to Ranbir Kapoor's bungalow construction site. Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt stepped into motherhood last year. Nowadays, she is often seen stepping out in the city for her professional work commitments. Recently, she went to Kashmir to wrap up the last song schedule of Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani with Ranveer Singh. We all know Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor have been building their dream home and they often visit the construction site of their bungalow. Today, the actress paid a visit to the construction site in the morning. Olivet was spotted in her casual attire. She wore a white-colored tank top paired with blue loose-fit denim. She left her hair open, carried a sling bag, wore black sunglasses, and completed her look with flip-flops. Alia Bhatt was last seen in Brahmastra with Ranbir Kapoor. Next, she will be seen in Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani opposite Ranveer Singh. Directed by Karan Johar, the film also stars uh, Dharmendra, Dharmendra, Shabana Azmi, and Jia Bachchan. She also has G. Zara with Priyanka Chopra and Katrina Kaif in the pipeline. Apart from this, she will also be making her Hollywood debut with Heart of Stone alongside Gal Gadot. Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt has always attracted fans with their major relationship goals. They are in love and audience can sense it when the couple speak about each other publicly. Recently, in one of our exclusive interviews, Ranbir Kapoor had praised Alia Bhatt for her quality of speaking out her mind. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updated news and more information.